from the revenue division into the finance division has been greatly applauded by the business community, because now the policy will be led by economic value considerations, not because how we make the math work. FBR pe Prime Minister himself is leading the charge. Last fiscal year, our revenues went up by 29% year on year. This year we are up 26% and more to do. But जो IMF का target है end of December was 10.6%, and we got to 10.8%. This is in the context of where we want to go in the next 3 years. कि 13.5% पे हमने पहुंचना है tax to GDP, so that we do get back into community of nations and get our economy on a sustainable footing. Individual filers आप देखें, they have gone up 100%, so that doubled. High value filers जिन्होंने 1 million से ज़्यादा अपनी income declare की है, 178% increase. Registered retailers, 174% increase. Technology interventions, digital production tracking, live across 4 sectors: sugar, tobacco, fertilizer, cement. Digital invoicing deployed जो FMCGs हैं, और इसी तरह जो internal system digitization है, faceless customs assessment launched. तो ये faceless assessment, इसमें Prime Minister साहब खुद वहाँ तशरीफ लेकर गए थे. He actually did the inauguration. Great work done by Chairman FBR and his team. A number of GDs filed went down by 14%. और ये देखिए average clearance time, 104 hours down to 21 hours, and revenue up by 16%. अब ये जो digital production tracking in sugar sector, अब इसमें आप ये देखिए कि between the tracking and compliance, the tax collection went up by 54%. A little over 9 billion has come to the exchequer between the last fiscal year and year to date. But what is the world saying about us in terms of our development partners, in terms of the rating agencies, और जो independent surveys हुए हैं पिछले 3 से 4 माह में? तो जो IMF की managing director है, economy moving in the right direction with strong reform efforts. We believe in Pakistan's long-term potential. Our goal is to invest $2 billion annually to support growth. ये जो MD IFC आए हुए थे, ये हवा में बात नहीं है. They have an active pipeline with real projects which they are planning to finance inshallah during this calendar year. इसी तरह जो Fitch और Moody's की हम बात कर चुके हैं, positive outlook. Inshallah we stay the course, और we are very confident कि इस साल during this calendar year we'll get to single B category, so that we get back into the international capital markets. And it's really the new economy which is going to give us the step change that we absolutely require. I would conclude by saying that the best for Pakistan is yet to come, inshallah. And collectively we will make it happen. Bahut shukriya ji aap.
Awais Khan Laghari Saab will present the review of the energy sector.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you, Prime Minister Saab. आपके सामने चंद स्लाइड्स में पेश करूंगा. पिछले 1 साल में हमारे एनर्जी के सेक्टर के अंदर जो सिर्फ जो पावर का सेक्टर है, उसमें जो चीज़ें हुई हैं, जिस किस्म के रिफॉर्म्स हुए हैं, जिस किस्म के फ़ायदे हम अपनी आवाम के लिए हार्वेस्ट कर चुके हैं, और जो आइंदा 1 साल के अंदर होने जा रहा है, उसका एक बेसिक जो समरी है वो आपके सामने पेश करेंगे जी. जब हमारी हुकूमत आई तो आपकी हदायत के